Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to access your Bluehost email. I'm now inside my Bluehost account, and to access your Bluehost email, first click on Hosting from this left side menu. Scroll down to Quick Links, then click on cPanel. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to Ben's Experience University today for free. Inside this online university, you get access to many online courses that can help you with your online business. In this Bluehost online course, for example, you can learn how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize your website performance, and also billing and account management. To get all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Once you're inside cPanel, click on Email Accounts under Email. Then click on Check Email next to your Bluehost email. After that, click on this Open Blue button. And this is how to access your Bluehost email. Another way to quickly access your Bluehost email is this one. First, type your website domain name, then add /webmail. Click on enter. Go with one of these options. Fill in your email address, then your password. After that, click on login. To avoid seeing this step every time you want to access your Bluehost email, simply check it like that, then click on open. And this will be the last time you will see this page. And this is my quicker method to access your Bluehost email. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.